So today I'm showing you guys this 2021 Ford Mach-E. This thing looks really good in person. The headlights are full LEDs, as you can see, automatic low and high beams. I like the horse here in the front. There is a front-facing camera. I'm gonna be really quick here, maybe like a 2 to 3 minute video, because there is music playing, so I don't want to get copyrighted. This is the charging port here. Oh, okay, it's not gonna let me open it, but that's a charging port. These are Michelin tires, a 225, 55. Tires are up to this 19-inch rim design. I like the way this looks. This looks really good with the silver and the dark gray here. I like the Mach-E badge. It looks really good. Let's make our way to the rear here really quick. I like this sportback design. Of course, you guys know it would be a Mustang with the sequential turn signals, the running horse, backup camera, of course. It does have a power opening tailgate, of course. The dealership, so they said they sold around 2. I think this is, okay, never mind. I don't know what this is, guys. I'm just touching. This is my first time messing with the Mach-E. I think underneath here, they give you some storage. Yeah, you get some storage. Fix-a-flat kit. And there is a 15-inch display right there. You guys can see. I'm gonna get a little closer so I can show you guys. But this is how you close it back. Of course, you press that button. Hopefully, I don't get copyrighted. Trying to be real quick. So this is how you open up the doors in the rear. I'm surprised it doesn't have an actual grab handle. Just like a Tesla, it has the glass roof there. The seats feel nice and comfortable. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is charging ports down here. I know the lighting sucks right now, but this is how the front looks. There's a 15-inch display. It has 86% and 349 kilo. What does K? Whatever. I don't know what that means. K. What is? I don't know. That's like some different type of like. What? The KM. What is that? Oh, you have kilowatt. No, what is this? I don't know what that means. Kilometers. Kilometers. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know my meters and centimeters, all the other stuff. But this is a 15-something inch display. Look at this. This is so cool. There's an Apple CarPlay. That's pretty. I think it's wireless, if I'm not mistaken. This is the volume knob here. Beyonce? No. Over here is a wireless charging pad. It looks like some storage, charging connectors. Of course, I like rotary knobs. This is a parallel park function, I'm assuming, electronic parking brake. Over here, glove box, pretty decent size. I like this cloth-like material here. And of course, LED lights throughout the cabin. But of course, you know you don't get this here because it has this glass roof. But I do like how they offer this screen here. And this thing right here, as you guys can see, is flickering purple, but I can't see it from the human eye. It does read your face, but it looks really nice. And this is how you open the door from this little handle here. Sorry. That's how you open the door from there. Yeah. The steering wheel looks really nice. 3-spoke wheel design. I do like that little chime. It sounds really nice. There's this frame, this mirror. But over, yeah, this is a quick little tour on the Ford Mach-E. Hopefully, oh, there, some carbon fiber. Apparently, I don't know what is it called again? What is it called again? KM? Kilometers. Kilometers, guys. I don't know what that is. I couldn't get it right. But anyway, I'm sure you guys tour one quick. I don't care. Tell people I don't know. Oh my God, that's super loud. I'm so sorry, but yeah. First look at the Ford Mustang Mach-E. Sorry, guys, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little walk around real quick. Yeah, it looks really nice.